Right, here we are then. County Wicklow, Republic of Ireland, and we're going to do part of the Wicklow Way today. I've got a dehydrated chilli and rice with me, so I've sort of experimented now with dehydrated food. I'm going to give that a go on the new stove and see how we go. I'll get some nice footage of the top, maybe some drone footage. I got some company today. There's 5 of us. I've been invited kindly into a hiking group, and I'm looking forward to a bit of crack. We're starting here today. I'm going to follow this little red route through the trees around this point, come out down up around the water. There's a little river here, up along a wall, over the stile, all the way up the top of Juice Mountain, and we're basically going to take the same trail all the way back down. Right, let's see how we go. Leave no trace. Brilliant. Ooh. 1.3 miles in. It's been mostly forestry track up until now, but yeah, that's a lovely view here. Look at this. Ooh. Aye, so far so good. Good pace. Put a bit of extra weight into the Bergen here. Same as the West Island Way starts a week Tuesday. And getting some more practice with these new carbon fibre poles. So far so good. We might have come to a bit of a dead end here. But there is a little gap through those bushes. I don't know where it goes. Into the trees there. Are the bears in Ireland? Ooh. Into the thick of it. Here we go. I am assured that this trail comes out somewhere. Can't say I've ever been in this part of the world before. Right, just come off this little path here. Makeshift gate. Look at this, fantastic. We're going up the top of there. So down and then up alongside our wall. And here we go. Nice little path, all well worked out, look. Look at this little camp there we got. Somebody over there. I wonder if that's a Durston dome tent there. Looks like, doesn't it? This little bridge, and then we're up the hill. Look at this. What a cracking spot. Now then, we're part way up. What's the name of that peak? Juice. We're part way up Juice. And we've been greeted with this view here. Oh, look at this. Absolutely phenomenal. Made it at the top, yeah. A little bit windy. Trick point. Ooh, look at these views. There's Peter. Fabulous. Oh. All the way over there we come from, look. Some views here. Look at this. Fantastic. Yeah. Right then, let's drop this packing in a couple of minutes. Pan up. So I'm going to make a nice cup of coffee, and then I'm going to try the dehydrated chilli. So I'll probably need about 600 ml of water. So we're almost up to half a litre. Keep it going. Right, let's have a little look. Oh, we're nearly boiling. Let's take the lid off this. See, 3-in-1 coffee, milk, sugar and coffee, ready to rock. Let's get a rolling boil going. Nearly there. Okay. Yeah, rolling boil. That's it. Okay. Let's get the coffee going. What we got left? 250. Right. 200. Oh, I not enough water, you know. Anyway.
That's more here.
No, I got plenty of water, man. Right, let's get this chili in here. And see how we go, is it? Okay. Might need to turn this back on, I think. I'll bubble and bubble for a bit. Lid on. See how we go. Coffee tastes as disgusting as it looks, but it's warm and it's wet. No one's complaining. Okay. I reckon about 5 minutes. Oh. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, how are we looking? Look at this. Rehydrated chili and rice. That looks good to me. What do you think? Look good to you? Here we are then, on top of, what's it called? Jose. On top of Jose. Rehydrated chili and rice.
What does it try?
Can't be beat. Ooh, taste the cardamom. This is the way forward.
Be right last night.
On the descent. So just under 5 miles to the top, and we're headed back. We lost Roger, unfortunately. He's had to get the Dublin airport to catch a flight to the States, and Laura and Jane had to go with him just to make sure he didn't go over his ankle or anything and on the way back. So it's just me and Peter. Successful mission to the top. Food rehydrated really well, so I was chuffed to that. And you just feel a few raindrops coming here now. Aye. Here we go. It would have to be, wouldn't it? The one cloud in the sky, grey. It'd have to be over us. So, yeah, I was chuffed with the food, so I'm going to try a few different recipes now. So we got about 11 days to go before we're away in Scotland. And now with a bit of luck, I'll have everything worked out. Just a few little minor tweaks to go, and we're there. Right, let's get down this hill. Whoa, there we go. There we are. Just broke the back of it. So, we're going back into the thick of it now. Hills pay the bills. Woohoo! Yeah, I just come down by the side of the wall there, across the bridge, and then that little campsite we saw on the way over has been struck, but there are a lot of people there now, swimming in the stream. Fantastic. And if we weren't on the clock, I think we'd be in there with them. Beautiful. Yeah, I bet we were. Right, I'm going to get to the top of this, hook a right and go back the way we came. We've broken the back of the hills, so it should be a nice flats and downs now on the way back. A little bit of forestry walking over some of these dry gullies here. Oh, it's a nice part of the track, isn't it? Look at this. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Come on. Who's at the Vasquez Rocks in California? Well, maybe not quite. Be a bit hotter out there, I think, that. Treated to a lovely view. Ooh. Down there, do you want to be, boys? Ooh. Think there's a bar down there, or what? Hopefully. Right. I've just had a bit of inside information that Anna Slot has departed from Liverpool. Just checked the news outlets, mainstream, and there's nothing on there yet. What time have we got? Let's have a look. And it's 12:22 on Saturday, the 30th of May. So if it's true, you heard it here first. Oh, look at this. Seen this little outcrop here. Have to come and have a look. Oh. Now that's a view. Little waterfall in the distance there. Oh, fantastic. Look at this. Oh. So we're taking a shortcut now through these trees. Try and link up with the car park. And we've been up there, we've been, see? Oof. I think Pete's on a mission. Oof. Oof. Yeah. Just a jump over us all, mate. You know the sketch. Here we go. Like a bit of off-road. Whoosh. Yes. This is the path we went up. And there's a car park, I think.
Oh yes, because we went up that way.
I know. I recognise it straight away. And there we are. Car park's down there.
And that concluded the hike on the Wicklow Way over the weekend. Met some lovely people. Had a nice couple of nights in Wicklow. A few pints of Guinness, a few whiskies. But the main aim for me was to get the miles in. 10 miles all told. Up some nice steep hills. Top of the Juice Hill, or however they pronounce it. I had a bit of ribbon for my accent there, I think, off a few people. So, main aim for me then was to reconstitute the homemade chilli and rice, just to see if it was a viable thing to take on the West Highland Way, which is a week Tuesday we're leaving. And yes, it was. So I've got a couple more recipes dehydrating in the garage as we speak. And I'm looking forward to taking them with me and seeing how they turn out. But until then, take it easy, guys. I'll see you on the next one.